Hello guys, welcome to my channel SMB Institute. Hopefully you are all fine. Today we are going to learn how to download and install TeamViewer on your laptop or PC. So before start this video, I request you please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so you can get notification of every latest video on your notification bar. Dear students, first open Google Chrome, and before going to start download of TeamViewer, I tell you something about the use of TeamViewer. TeamViewer is very awesome application used for remote control, and in my upcoming video I will completely tell you how to use TeamViewer in your daily life, and it's very awesome software you can utilize in your daily routine to solve problem. Like I give you example that if I am sitting in UAE, and anyone sitting in India or Pakistan, and easily if there is some problem in my student laptop like installation issues and other issues, uh, I am by sitting in UAE, I can easily by using TeamViewer can solve the problem of my students. So it's very basic use and very important use of TeamViewer. So first of all, search here TeamViewer. Okay, click here, click on this. Download link of TeamViewer is available in video description. You can download from here. Okay, click on download TeamViewer. It takes some time, depend on your internet speed. Okay, so dear students, after download TeamViewer, I will completely tell you how to install successfully within time without error on your laptop or PC. Okay, dear students, download of TeamViewer will be complete, and now we are going to install on our laptop or PC without error. So before start installation, I request you please check your Windows security. No matter you are using Windows 10, 8, 7, check of your Windows security. I'm using Windows 10, so I'm going to off Windows security feature. Okay, okay, now again I'm going to, okay, click on setup, click run as administrator. Okay, default installation, don't change any setting. You can from here you can company or commercial use. How do you want to use TeamViewer? Personal, non-commercial use, both of the above. Default custom installation with unattached access port. So you can if you want to change setting, you can change from here. Accept, finish. It takes some time, don't worry, wait. Okay, after installation, TeamViewer icon will be automatically created on our, you can see here easily, you can see here TeamViewer icon. I'm going to open TeamViewer. Okay, dear students, in my upcoming video I will completely tell you how to use TeamViewer and how you can utilize this amazing software in your daily life to solve problems. So dear students, if you like my videos, please share, press the like button, and also subscribe my channel. If you press the bell icon, so you get notification of every latest video on your notification bar. Many thanks.